Hi student, today I am going to the reasoning chapter number 18. So here this chapter is mathematical operations. So here I am going to the first question. In the first question, the question is saying that if plus means multiply. So plus means multiply, multiply means minus, divide means plus, and minus means divide. Then this equation is given. So what we have to do, simply in this equation we have to change these, replace these signs with these ones. So minus is changed to the division, and now next one is the division is given, division is changed to the plus, then plus is changed to the product, multiplication, and the next one is the multiplication is changed to the minus, and plus is changed to the product, that means multiplication. Now we have to solve this. As we know the BODMAS rule, according to the BODMAS rule, first of all we have to divide. So we have to divide this 25, 7 is 175, so we got 7, and this portion is written as it is. Now we are going to the multiply. So 5 multiplied 20, it will be 100, and these parts as it is. 3 multiplied to the 10, so it will be 30. Now 100 plus 7, 107 minus 30, so it becomes 77. So option number A is correct. Option A is given, that is correct. Now going to the question number 2. Here the plus means minus. Question is saying that plus means minus, multiply means divide, divide means plus, and minus means multiply. Now the equation is given this. Now we have to change the sign according to the given process. Multiply converted to the divide, minus converted to the product, and the plus converted to the minus, and the division converted to the plus. So here in this case 252 is divided by 9. So 9 2 ja 18. Now 7 is here. 9 8 ja 72. So 28, and multiplied 5 minus 32 as it is, minus 9 plus 92 as it is. Now 28 5 ja 140 minus 32 plus 92. So here these will be added, because the after multiplication we are going to the addition. So here we will get that 232 minus 32, so answer will be the 200. So this is the option number D. So option number D is correct. Now going to the question number 3. In the question number 3 it is given L stand for plus, M stand for minus, N stand for multiplication, and P stand for divided by. So now this equation is given 14M, 10L, 42P, 2M, 8. So now we have to place the sign according to this, then it becomes 14 multiplied 10 plus 42 divided by 2 minus 8. Now first of all we are going to the divide by. So 42 divided by 2, it gets, we will get 21, and these are written as it is. Now 14 10 ja 140, 21 as it is, minus 8. Now 140 plus 21, so it will be 161 minus 8, so answer will be the 153. So here option number A is correct. Now going to the fourth question. Here again it is given that plus stand for minus, divide stand for plus, plus stand for multiply stand for minus, divide stand for plus, plus stand for divide, and minus stand for multiply. Now the given equation, whatever the given equation, here question is asking that which equation is correct. So we have to check one by one. So I am going to the first equation A, option number A. So here after placing these signs we are getting 15 multiplied 5 plus 5 minus 20 divided by 10. Now 15 we will divide it 20 by 10, we will get 2, and 15 5 ja 75, 5 as it is. Now 75 plus 5 becomes 80 minus 2, so it becomes 78, and here the equals to given 5, so that is not equals to the 5, so this is wrong. That means this equation is wrong. Now going to the equation B. Equation B is given 8 divided by 10 minus 3 plus 5 into 6 equals to 8. So first of all we have to write down the, change the sign, and then equation becomes 8 plus 5 plus 10 multiplied 3 divided by 5 minus 6. Now 8 plus 10 into 3 and divide by 5, so it will be written as a fraction, so 3 by 5. Now 5 2 ja 10, so it becomes 8 as it is, 2 3 ja 6, and minus 6. Now 6 6 cancel, so answer will be the 8, and also given equals to 8. So this is the correct equation. Now going to the question number 5. It is given that 20 minus 10 is equals to 200. 20 minus 2 is equals to 200. It means 20 multiplied by 10, then we are getting the 200. So that minus is converted to the product. We will replace the minus as multiplication. Now going to the next equation is given 8 divided by 4, we are getting 12. That means 8 plus 4, 12. So that means divide is converted to the plus. Divide is replaced with the plus. Now going to the next, 6 multiplied 2 gives 4. That means 6 minus 2 gives 4. That means multiply is written as, taken as minus. So now the equation is given 100 minus 10 multiplied 1000 divided by 100 multiplied by 10. Now change the sign. Minus is converted to the multiply, and the multiply is converted to the minus, and the divide is converted to the plus, and the multiply again converted to the minus. So equation becomes like this. Now we are going to multiply 100 into 10, 1000 as it is, 100 as it is, 10 as it is. 1000 plus minus cancels. Now here 100 minus 10, it becomes 90. So correct answer will be the 90. But there is no question, no option is given 90. But its correct answer is 90. So here the wrong question is given. Here no option is given. Okay. So you have to do the remaining question number 6, 7, 8 by self. Now I am going to the part 2 of this chapter. So now I am going to the part 2. Here the first question is given. That question is little bit wrong, but I am correcting it and I am telling you the solution. If plus means divided by, question is given that plus means divided by, minus means added to, that means plus, and the multiply means subtracted from, and the next one is given that plus means multiplied by. So there is not plus, there is divided. There is sign of the division. Division means multiplied by. If you will take the sign division, then only the solution will be possible. Otherwise, solution will not possible. So here now equation is given 24 divided by 12 minus 18 plus 9. Now we have to change these signs according to this. So divide converted to the multiply, and the minus converted to the minus is converted to the plus, and the plus is converted to the division. So now here first of all we will take this part, 18 divided by 9, then we will get 2. So here 24 multiplied 12 plus 2. Now 24 multiplied 12, it will be the 288. 288 plus 2, that becomes 290. So answer will be the 290. So this is the option number D. Now going to the question number 2. Here the dollar means, sign of the dollar is given, it means plus, has means minus, at the rate means multiply, and the star means, that is the star is given, star means division. Now we have to place the symbols. At the place of the symbol we have to write down these mathematical symbols. So this means plus, this means multiply, this means minus, and this means divide by. Now 16 plus 4 multiplied 5 minus 72 divided by 8. So first of all 72 divided by 8. So 8 9 is 72, so 9 is here, and this is written as it is. Now we have to do the operation of the multiplication. 4 5 is 20, and 16 as it is, 9 as it is. Now 16 plus 20 becomes 36 minus 9, so answer will be the 27. So here option number B is correct. Now going to the question number 3. In the question number 3 it is given that division, sign of the division is converted to the multiply to the plus to the minus, and minus to the division. So now this is a given equation. In this given equation we have to place the at the place of multiply we have to write down the plus, and then at the place of the plus we have to place minus. Now on the place of minus we have to write down division, and on the place of the division we have to write down the multiply. Now it becomes 16 plus 3 minus 5 divided by 2 plus 4. 5 cannot be divided by 2, so we will write down 5 by 2, and this 4 multiplied. Now 2 2 are 4, so 4 is cancelled out. Now here it becomes 16 plus 3 and 5 2 are 10. Now 16 plus 3 19, 19 minus 10, answer becomes 9. So here option number A is correct. Now going to the question number 4. Here given that plus is converted to the division, division is converted to the minus, minus converted to the product, and product is converted to the plus. So this is the given equation. Here we are going to change the sign. So it becomes 12 minus 6, 12 divided by 6 minus 3 multiplied 2 plus 8. So it becomes 12 divided by 6 becomes 2 and minus 3 multiplied 2 plus 8 as it is. Now 3 to the 6 and 2 and 8 that they are given as it is. Now 8 plus 2 they are positive, added 10 minus 6, so answer becomes 4. 10 minus 6 becomes 4. So answer is part C. Option number C is the correct answer. Now going to the question number 5. If multiply means division, minus means multiply, division means plus, and plus means minus. So this equation is given. Now we have to place the sign. So after placing the sign we will get this equation. 3 multiplied 15 plus 19 bracket close divided by 8 minus 6. First of all we will solve the bracket. So here 15 multiplied 3 45 and 19 as it is. Now this will be solved as 64 and divided by 8. So divided by 8 minus 6. Now 64 divided by 8 it means 8 8 just 64. So answer becomes 8. 8 minus 6 it becomes 2. So here this is the correct answer. Question number 5, option number B. Now the remaining 5 questions we have to do by self. Thank you. Have a good day.